Now your vertical blinds have arrived, we're here to help you fit them. When you open your package, you'll see we've sent you the right number of brackets you'll need to install your blind, roll plugs, and different types of screw. With the individual louvers for your blinds, we've included weights, which help to stop the blinds from getting entangled when you have the window open. If you measured for recess blinds, you'll need the top fix bracket, and if you opted to fit outside the window recess, you'll be using the face fix bracket. Clip the brackets to the headrail and space them out evenly. For each type of bracket, the two outside brackets need to be at least 40 mm away from the end of the track. Now you need to mark the position of the brackets and the holes in the window recess, or on the wall above it. Mark the holes on the underside of the top of the bracket. If you're screwing the brackets into the wall, use the roll plugs and longer screws. The shorter screws are wood screws, which you'll need if attaching the blinds directly to a wooden window frame or recess. Once all the brackets are in place, simply push the track up into the brackets with the controls on the side you prefer. To fit the louvers, turn the little hooks using the rotation cord so the slot is 90 degrees to the track, and clip them in. Then, slip the weights into the pockets at the bottom of the louvers and slide the little clips on the bottom chain over the lugs on the weights. Don't try to snap them on, because that could cause them to break.